GitHub's AI Autofix, your code's new best friend. Exciting news from GitHub! They've unveiled a new AI-powered tool called Code Scanning Autofix, designed to accelerate vulnerability fixes while you code. Are you tired of manually fixing vulnerabilities? With this tool, over 90% of alert types in JavaScript, TypeScript, Java, and Python can be addressed automatically. Isn't that impressive? When activated, it offers potential fixes with natural language explanations, giving you options to accept, edit, or dismiss. Plus, it suggests changes not only in your current file, but across multiple files and project dependencies, too. Imagine the time it saves! But remember, always double-check to ensure the issues are resolved completely. Plans to support more languages soon, with C and Go next in line. They're also stepping up security by default, preventing accidental exposure of secrets in public repositories. This proactive approach is crucial, considering the millions of authentication secrets exposed in recent years. Looking for a technology partner to amplify your business growth? Contact us, sales@algoworks.com.